These beautiful soft hand-feel t-shirts were printed at home, back neck hits, sleeve hits, labels, you name it. And I use this machine I'm about to show you. So you want to print t-shirts from home, right? And there's a lot of choices out here and you don't quite know which one you want. I mean, there's white toner printers, vinyl cutters, DTGs, sublimation printers. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. But this right here is a game changer. DTF, direct to film printer, all right? Let's get into it. This is the All-American Prestige A3 Plus DTF printer. It uses a specially formulated water-based ink made just for DTF printers. And look, see right there? That's white ink. That is the secret ingredient. Now with that, you can print white ink. It also prints the underbase for all the other colors, and it allows you to print on dark colors. Now the paper that it uses is actually not a paper at all. It's a film, hence the term direct to film, and it comes in this smaller size, which is not quite but close to 8.5 by 11, and this much larger size, which is around 13 by 19, which is amazing. You can fit so much on a canvas that size. All right, guys, we're going to print 2 t-shirts, but in order to print, you need this Digital Factory software. All right, it is very simple to use, and let's print some tees. You just take your artwork, load it, press print, and it comes right on out. I made sure to knock out the black because I'm putting this on a black t-shirt, right? Look at that. And I'm printing this electric blues graphic just so we can have a little variety. Then I'm going to show you how to add the adhesive, and then we're going to cure them and print them. Now the adhesive is so simple. I like to take a little bit of the powder, put it right down towards the edge, right? Cover the edge and then just raise it up on one side and let gravity slide it down and then do it one more time. And that's it. Now guys, when I first saw the adding of the adhesive powder, I was like, dude, that's way too much work because I like things to be nice and easy.
All we can do is the easy way or the hard way.
But once I did it, guys, that thing takes maybe 4 to 7 seconds. It is nothing. It is so easy. It's not that big of a deal at all. So guys, after I realized how simple it was, I did the electric blues graphic, and now we cure. Now there's 2 ways to go about curing. The first way is you simply cure under your heat press for 2 minutes at around 300 degrees, but you don't press it, you let it hover. So your heat press has to have the ability to hover. Plus you need to be in a very well ventilated area because there can be some not so good for you fumes that come off of this. Now this right here is the Phoenix oven, right? Looks like something out of a science fiction movie, but this is not fiction. This is a awesome oven. You see the vent right here? It lets all the fumes go right there and it gets sucked up. Look at that. It gets sucked up into what? An air filter. So you don't have to worry about any bad fumes. This is the way to go if you really are serious about this DTF thing. So you take your artwork, you set it in there at about 160, and there's a timer right there. And in just 1 minute, it is cooked, baby, and you are ready to make a t-shirt. Guys, all the information for everything that you're seeing is going to be down in the description box. So now it is a really simple process. We cut out the different pieces. We're going to have a front chest and a couple of back neck hits, back neck label, sleeve hit, and we press them. And we lay out our tee. We're using the Bella Canvas 3001, which has the tearaway label. We rip that off because we're going to replace the label with one that we printed. Then we give it a pre-press to knock any wrinkles out. We add our transfer. Then we add the cover sheet and press. And in 15 seconds at 300 degrees, we are done, right? But this is a cold peel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to print the fronts, right? But I'm not going to peel them. I'm going to change the platen, right? This is a hat platen, but this platen is also excellent for printing back necks and sleeves and things of that nature. So we print the back neck label, and then we print the sleeve hit, and then we print another back hit. It's just the back out that you can see. We let them cool, and then it's time to peel. So the first peel is the back neck label, guys. Great way to make your stuff look professional. Then we peel the front. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And we pull the other back, right? Then we do that sleeve. Look at that. And then, oh, yes, look at that. Absolutely beautiful prints. At home, easy as pie. So the last thing that we do is our finishing press. You just take your silicone sheet, you hit your t-shirt for about 10-15 seconds. Now this helps with the hand feel and the washability of your t-shirt. And if you have a little excess powder, it helps to dissipate that. So we do the first one and then the second one. And guys, once you do this, this really helps with that hand feel, right? It makes it much softer and it takes your t-shirt line to a whole nother left. So look at these tees. They feel great. Back neck label, sleeve hits. We put some stuff on the back. Everything all on one little sheet. These things are amazing. But I know what you're saying. Yeah. It looks good. How much is it, Playboy? So here it is, guys. You know, I have gotten so much flack over not giving prices. A lot of people take this out of context. They don't understand that it's an investment. Also, it is comparable with a white toner printer, and it is far less, far less than a DTG machine. But hey, this is it. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but I will say this. Things are not what they cost. They're what they're worth. So guys, this DTF technology is taking over the industry. I implore you to learn more about it, but I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless, do something good for somebody, and here's some more videos to help you on your t-shirt journey. I am out.
T-shirt help desk.